Hey guys, welcome back for another video. If you own a Kia EV6, you need to know this information that I'm gonna tell you in this video. Currently, as you can see, my car is charging. This is the level 1 charger. I'm going to put the link in the description below so that you guys have access to it. And I'm going to give you information about the 12-volt battery of this car. So obviously this is an electric car, so it comes with 77 kilowatt batteries pack, but the 12-volt battery that comes with every car, including this one that you see usually in the hood, powers a lot of things in this car. And in some scenarios, if you are not careful, you will basically drain your 12-volt battery and you will be stranded for a very long time. So please watch this video till the end to see how it can happen and how you can avoid that. Yesterday I went to IKEA and look at all the stuff that I brought. So this car does have a lot of space. You can see it is like more than 6 feet or something like that. And I was able to fit in all these big boxes from IKEA and still have half the space available. So I was coming back to this point. Let me turn on my car. As you can see, currently it is charging at 1.7 kilowatt because I have level 1 charger. Using climate function while the battery is charging will delay charging. Okay, I understand that. Let me close the door. Okay, so when driving is not necessary, such as while camping or when stopping the vehicle for a very long time, it is possible to use the electrical devices like audio, lights, etc. for long hours. This car also comes with 12-volt auxiliary battery, as you know, and you can easily drain that battery in this scenario where you are just sitting in the car, you have just turned on and you are playing your music. And let's say you are playing your music for a very long time and you forget to put this car in the utility mode. I'll tell you what is utility mode in few minutes, but before that, other thing that you need to be careful about is when you're charging your car with level 1 charger that I'm currently doing, it does not charge your 12-volt battery. For some reason, Kia decided to do that. I don't agree with their decision, but that is what we have currently, right? So to charge your 12-volt battery, you either need to charge it with level 2 or level 3 charger, or you need to drive your car. That will eventually recharge your battery. But in the case like me, I'm recharging my car with level 1 charger. It does not charge my 12-volt auxiliary battery. Okay. Now let me tell you, whenever let's say you are stopping at a road construction or you're stopping for camping or something. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I changed the color of my dash to dark mode now, and I'll tell you where you can find the utility mode. So for that you need to go to EV. Just click on this EV button, and as you can see, you will see this beautiful graphic here that tells you the range as well as the nearby charging stations. What you can do is you can click on this gear button on the right bottom side. Once you click on that, you will see a utility mode on the screen. Okay, you go to this utility mode and then this is what you use. Okay, so what basically it does is it uses your high voltage battery to power electronic devices connected to the vehicle. So let's say you are camping, you want to connect some light with the car, that you can do. And in that case it will use the car's battery, the high voltage battery, and not the auxiliary 12-volt battery. So this is how you would do that. Even if you are waiting for, let's say, road construction, anything, just, and if you are playing music when your car is off, just go to utility mode and do that. If you don't do that, it is going to drain your 12-volt auxiliary battery and you will be stranded. You either need a AAA or something like that to jumpstart your car again. Well, this was a very short video just to tell you that be mindful about this utility mode. If this is something new that you have learned today, give this video a thumbs up so that I can make more interesting videos like this. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.